Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's Suzanne here and I know it's been quite some time. Life has just been busy and I've been going and doing videos on TikTok, not doing the long format on videos for YouTube these days. But today I decided I was going to because I wanted to share with you what this month's IPSY icon box has. It's pretty heavy, and let's go see what this is going to give us this month. Here, oh man, I'm using a lot of strength to get this open with my little scissors. There we go. It's open. It is open. Huh. All right. Huh. Thank goodness for a little brute strength and ignorance. Oh, look, look, look. All right, they really packed this box full with things today. All right, the first product that is in the box is a Pear Nova Eye Duo Stick Shadow and Liner. Let's open this puppy up. Oh, that's two products in here. All right, the first one is a green, looks green. The name is, Pear Nova, oh good Lord. Eye Duo Stick Shadow and Liner. Unikite is the name, Unakite, whatever. Oh, so it's got dual ends. This is the eyeliner or the eyeshadow. Well, maybe not. Maybe, oh yes it is. Okay, it's certainly not green. This is a beautiful skin tone color. Okay, the packaging is a little disarming. Oh, but this side has the green. So the fat side is the eyeshadow side, and then this little side, or the thin side, I can't speak this morning, is the green side. All right, let's look at this together here. Oh, this is pretty. Very pretty. Okay, who thought? Who thought? Certainly not me. All right, let's look at the second one. This is a blue color in packaging, and I must say these have a nice weight to them. And let's see, what does this look like? Ooh, this is more of a taupe, a shiny taupe. Also pretty. And the liner is blue, like the packaging. It's a more of a gray blue. Ooh. Definitely can use this. All right, moving right along. Bring this to the side. The next product is from Kosas. And it says, Blush is Life. Baked Dimensional and Brightening Blush. In the color of Cool Baby Pink. Tape this up pretty well too. All right. It was easier than the box. The main box, but I guess the main box needs to be pretty secure going through the mail and all. All right. Okay, Kosas. There we go. Has nice weight to it in the hand, and ooh, oh, kind of matches my top today. Let's try it and see what this looks like. Oh. Okay, it's not as strong first, but it's buildable. Definitely buildable. What the hell am I doing? I'm gonna have to play with that. I like the color. It's cool. All right, next is this. All right, let's look. By Origins, it is Youthtopia Peptide Plumping apple cream. And the writing is so small that I really can't read. Formulated with apple oil. Okay, I didn't know that apples had oil in them. Maybe the seeds. Fermented apple peels, okay. And acetylhexapeptide 8. Avoid eye area. All right, let's see what this has to offer. All right. Oh my God, this smells like apples. It smells divine. All right, let's take a little bit off the top, because I don't want to put my grubby little fingers in the products. All right, let's look and see what this, okay. This is almost like a gel cream. Okay, it smells absolutely fantastic. And that little bit goes all the way up to here. I was able to bring it all the way up. Ooh, fabulous. Now, it does not specify if it's a day cream or a night cream or that it even matters. I'm interested because it has peptides in it, because peptides are, you know, the greatest things since sliced bread at the moment. All right, next comes from LMS. Peptide 4 Recovery Eye Cream. The skin synchronized eye cream transforms the appearance of tired and overworked eyes. LMS Peptide 4 and Star Arvensis oil helps deliver younger looking eyes around the clock. Dark shadows and puffiness appear reduced. Okay, lightly apply to eye contour area. Avoid direct contact with eye. If contact with eye occurs, rinse thoroughly. All right. Okay, this is a little light in the hand, but that's okay. Just like this. Let's put a little on my finger. Where are we going to put this? Oh, let's just put it right here. Oh, it's very light. I think it has a little more consistency to it than the apple cream, but I guess it'd have to because it is an eye cream. It doesn't really smell like anything, but it spreads nicely. Ooh, okay. Definitely very interested in trying this. All right, and then we have lip oil by Rodial. Very pretty. Very pretty. Let's do this. It says, lip oil, a high shine lip oil enriched with nourishing botanical extracts that help to visibly plump lips through hydration, leaving a glazed finish. Instructions. Glide on with applicator and allow to melt onto lips. Well, let's do that right now. Let's let it melt right onto the lips. Okay, this is heavy in the hand. I like this component. It's actually kind of pretty. Smells sweet. Sweet, but I can't really say that it smells like anything. Maybe a little vanilla, lightly. Not bad. All right, here we go. Because this is going right over my lipstick and lip liner. Ooh, but it feels fabulous. Okay, this is going into my purse for sure. I like that. All right, now comes this big one here by Ole Hendrickson. Okay, I used to know a kid named Ole Olsen a long time ago. We were stationed in Italy together. Our parents were stationed in Italy together. All right, this is a Glow 2 OH Dark Spot Toner, and it has 7% high potency AHAs. Okay, so this is not something that you would want to use during the day, and if you use this at night, you need to use an SPF afterwards because it's exfoliating. All right. Looks like this. Let's see if we have a little more information on this. Transform the way you think about toner. Transform your skin. Glow 2 OH Dark Spot Toner, supercharged with high potency AHAs, targets dark spots, fine lines and wrinkles, and smooth textures. Infused with sandalwood, chamomile, and licorice extract. This gentle enough for daily use to retexturize prepping skin surface for serums and moisturizer. Reveal a transformed, refined, and youthful looking Ole Glow. All right. At night. Okay, it does say at night. At night, pour onto a cotton pad and swipe over clean, dry face in a circular motion. Shake well before use. Follow with their serums and moisturizers of your choice. For external use only. Okay, contains hydroxy acid that may increase your skin sensitivity to sun and sunburn. So definitely when you're using this, sunscreen is required. Protect that skin. All right, let's see. Here is a cotton round. Well, maybe there's a little thingy on top. Oh yeah, there is. Let's open this up, peel this off. Ooh, it smells bright. Ooh, I like this. It smells fabulous. Okay, let's pour some on the cotton round. Saturate it, and well, let's see. I'll put it on here. Definitely takes off the makeup that I just put on. That's okay. All right. I gotta say, it smells yummy. This smells really yummy. Okay, and I do like the idea of an AHA toner. A little bit of an exfoliation. I don't know if I'd want to do it every day, but why not every couple of days? Let's put this back in the box. And now we have Aloe Wellness System. It's a magnesium reset spray. Let's see what this has to say. The Mellow Mist supports muscle recovery and bring on the bliss with a concentrated magnesium, valerian, and arnica spray that absorbs instantly into skin. Soothe sore muscles. Massage into overworked muscles anywhere on the body, from tight shoulders to cramped abdomen. Ease sleeplessness. Spritz the bottom of each foot and palms of hands before to bed to ease into a dreamy night's sleep. Melt away tensions. Apply anywhere on the body to reset, relax, and ease stress. Well, this is interesting. I've never had anything like this before. So it says extraordinary power of amla. Amla super berries have been used for millennia in Indian Ayurvedic practices. Often called a miracle berry, amla is a nature's rich source of antioxidants and vitamin C. All right, let's see what this feels like. Comes like that. Oh, this is a glass bottle. Aloe Wellness Magnesium Reset Spray. Let's see. It doesn't It smells a little medicinal, not bad. Oh, it feels silky on the skin. I'm going to be using this tonight for sure to try this puppy out. I like the idea of this. By Aloe. Great. And last but not least, we have this big old box. Okay, description, it says it's the bronze palette. I don't know by who. It's a surprise. Let's open this up. Okay, let me make sure that nothing's breaking this baby. All right, it is Natasha Denona. Ooh, fancy. Bronze palette, eyeshadow palette. Okay. Gotta be smarter than the packaging. There we go. It's nice that it has the names of the different colors printed on the box, but I don't know how long you're gonna carry a box around. And here we go. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Very orangey. I am not sure if this is going to be my palette that I would use. Maybe I'll give this away. But it's pretty. Pretty, pretty. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. I'd appreciate it. Until next time. Love to you all.